Hi, Ridgewood third graders. Welcome back to some more math. We're going to continue about learning about fractions. Learning targets we're learning to understand fractions. What am I looking for? You'll be able to partition and label fractions on a number line. The prior knowledge, know the parts of a fraction, know the mathematical meaning of numerator and denominator. I hope everybody keeps practicing this, repeating, and continue to share somebody what's the meaning of a numerator denominator. Know what is a number line, and a new word is knowing the meaning of partition. Partition means to break something up into equal sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and model with you on the next assignments for this. So it says partition into equal pieces and label each partition. So let's go ahead. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a look at this number line here, because this is a number line, because we have a 0 and we have a 1, so it's a number line. So we're going to partition into 6 equal groups. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and split the number line in half. So I split it in half. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each side of this and I'm going to break it up into 3 equal, do the best I can and break it up into 3 equal pieces. So on this side, I'm going to go ahead and do it right this and like that. And I'm going to go over to this side and again. So now I look at this. Now hopefully I have 6 equal partitions. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now notice I started 0 when I do my counting. So now I'm going to go ahead and label each one of these. So this would be 1. My numerator would be 1, and of course my denominator is going to be 6 because I have 6 equal partitions. Next one is going to be 2, 6. Next one is going to be 3, 6. Now some of you will say, "Hey, Mr. Wolin, I know a different way to say that, and that would be 1/2." It is 3, 6 is the same as 1/2. So this would be 4, 6. And this would be 5, 6. Now some of you already know that 1 is the same as 6 over 6. So 6 over 6. Now you could also label this and put this as 0, 6 as well. And there we go. I went ahead and I put the numbers, I put the fractions on this number line. So let's take a look again. Number 3 here, it says partition into 4 equal pieces and label each partition. So for me, the easiest thing is to kind of go ahead and split it in half first. Then I'm going to split this section. I'm going to split the 0 to the middle in half. Now I'm going to do the same thing between the middle to the 1 and break that up into half. And I should have 4 equal sections. Let's see. I'm going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going to go ahead and label it. Let's go again. So I'm going to label this as, so again, my denominator is going to be 4. So all of this is going to be 4. So this one is 1. So this would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 1 is also going to be written as 4 over 4. And I can also label the 0 as 0/4 as well. These are all equivalent numbers. So there we go. And let's go finally to our last one. So partition is to equal pieces and label each partition. So this one I'm going to do my best and break it up into thirds. And there we go. So again, all of my denominators are going to be 3 because, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my dividing line. So this one would be 1/3. And this one would be 2/3. And this one would be 3 over 3. There you go. All right, so I have some assignments for you that look similar to this. So go ahead and practice partitioning up the number lines and then also labeling them. So here are the assignments for the rest of the week. Wednesday, worksheet fractions label 1 and 2. Thursday, worksheet fraction label 3 and 4. And then finally Friday, worksheet fraction label 4 and 5. So anyway, have a great week and look forward to doing some more videos for you the following week. Stay safe and have a great week. Bye.